Okay, there's some of you struggling with certain parts of this. I'm assuming most of you should be able to get to this part of the extrusion. All I did was then fill it there. But I'm going to show you how to put that, the easiest way to put that pocket in there. That pocket, if you look at the section view, is 2 millimeters deep, and it's 3.6 away from that edge. I know I've got it suppressed, so there's that 3.6. And the section view, there's 2 millimeters. Alright, so the easiest way to do that is we're going to click on that surface, we're going to do a sketch, and then there's a really sweet command called convert entities. So basically what that does, and it's hard to see because I got my red color, let's try and do this unshaded so you can see it. So basically what it did, convert entities, created a sketch of all the entities where that face met the edge. Alright, so from here, you're going to go up to offset entities. Alright, and we're going to use where it says construction geometry, the base geometry. We're going to put in here the 3.6, and then I'm going to select the chain, and I'll reverse. Alright, so it takes that chain and bumps it into 3.6 millimeters, but then the initial sketch that we converted, the entities that we converted, went to construction geometry, so Solidworks doesn't look at it. So then you accept that. So that's how quickly and easy we made that sketch. From here, of course, I'll go up to Features, Extrude Cut, and then we're going to cut that to 2 millimeters deep. And there's that pocket. So let me shade it. And there's the pocket in there. Now from here to chamfer, alright, the chamfer is pretty easy at this point. So here's the face. So then we go up here, fill it, and go chamfer. And then our chamfers are 1.6 millimeters. And you notice it's doing both edges. Alright, we don't want that. Alright, so I'm going to clear the selections. I'm going to select there, and you can also right click and you can say select loop, and then you click around. So it should select all these. I don't know why it didn't, but anyway, so I'm just selecting them. And there's those chamfers. Alright, you can do the same thing on the other side, or you can mirror that over if you want. Mirror it over to the other side, but it's pretty quick and easy to do. Alright, there's that the pocket in there of the 2 millimeters, and it's 3.6 away. You can check that too. Let's just go to a different so I go up to evaluate, you can go measure from this face to that face, and there's the 3.6.